Alright, tell the nice people where you are.
We are in the Roanoke River Nature Preserve.
We sure are.
Somewhere up the Devil's Gut. It's like a river type thing called the Devil's Gut, which is a side creek of the Roanoke River. It's a cypress swamp.
Cypress Swamp.
Bayou! Down on the bayou. We got people behind us. We lost them.
We're canoeing. Ooh. As you can see, we're in our canoe. Say hi.
You can't be in a canoe without a beer. America, damn it.
It's May.
This is America where people don't go, except for us. It's like what, May 11th?
May 11th.
Or 12th.
Oh, look at these big trees. They're so big.
Yeah, it's a big cypress. Or a cedar. No, they said it was cypress. Currently, our direction is south. We are heading in a southern direction.
There's so many animals out here.
We put our portage in Jamesville.
The wildlife is amazing.
We got here, it was dark, and when you wake up, and there's no ground anywhere.
We're platform camping at Barred Owl Roost. That's the word, Roost. It's just amazing out here. Look at this. Just look at all this.
Should have brought the ukulele.
Look at all that. Cypress garden.
Can you guys hear the echo? Check it out.
Sound like a bird echo. Like, you just don't understand how expansive this place is. But I will tell you, this morning we caught a turtle. Check down in the description for that turtle video. But that's really all we've caught today. But we're out to go fishing and to try, and we'll let you know if we catch anything else. Once again, we're in the Roanoke River somewhere in Jamestown, North Carolina. Jamesville, North Carolina.
It doesn't feel haunted. It looks haunted.
It looks beautiful.
Because of all the water, nobody can live here. You can't even really camp here, so they built these platforms. You got a paddle to.
Ooh, the wind. There's a fish. There's a log.
We're gonna just chill and wait on them.
Alright, like this video and subscribe. Put down in the comments where you like to go paddling at.